Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching this song tutorial video. In the first part, I'm going to count out the song's chords so you'll know exactly how long to play each one. In the second part, I'm going to play through the entire song so you can practice along with me. So stick around to the end, and if you find this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, etc. Before we begin, you should click on that link at the top of the description and that'll take you to a chord chart containing all the chords and lyrics of the song you're about to practice. I recommend printing it out right now and grabbing a pencil so you can write in the number of beats per chord as I call them out to you. If you see a chord you don't recognize, and just click on link number 2 in the video's description and that'll take you to a list of chord tutorial videos. Finally, if you want to learn more songs once this video is over, click on link number 3 and that'll take you to a spreadsheet containing all of my chord charts and song tutorial videos. Now let's get started. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play What Wondrous Love Is This. I'm going to demonstrate this song on guitar, but you can use any instrument that you like because we're going to focus on the timing of the chords, which will be the same for every instrument. I'm going to go over the timing of the verse chords, and as I do, I'm just going to strum once per beat to make it really easy to count. And I'm also going to display the chords I'm playing and the number of beats that I'm playing per chord. And if you haven't already, you can click on link number 1 in this video's description for a chord chart that you can use to follow along. Alright, let's begin with verse 1. 1, 2, 3. What wondrous love is this, oh my soul, oh my soul. What wondrous love is this, oh my soul. What wondrous love is this that caused the Lord of bliss to lay aside his crown for my soul, for my soul, to lay aside his crown for my soul. And of course, the timing for those chords will be the same for all the verses. So you can just write in the number of beats per chord that I just demonstrated for every single one of the verses. Alright, so now I'm going to play through the entire song so that you can practice along with me. I'll play in a more complex way, but you don't have to worry about mimicking what I'm doing with my right hand. Just try to keep up with the chords on whatever instrument you're using. And if my tempo is too fast for you, don't worry about it. Just go into the playback settings menu and change the speed to 0.75x or something slower that'll make it easier for you to keep up. Alright, let's begin. 1, 2, 3. What wondrous love is this, oh my soul, oh my soul. What wondrous love is this, oh my soul. What wondrous love is this that caused the Lord of bliss to lay aside his crown for my soul, to lay aside his crown for my soul. When I was sinking down, sinking down, sinking down, when I was sinking down, sinking down, when I was sinking down beneath God's righteous frown, Christ laid aside his crown for my soul, for my soul. Christ laid aside his crown for my soul. To God and to the Lamb I will sing, I will sing. To God and to the Lamb I will sing. To God and to the Lamb, who is the great I am, while millions join the theme. I will sing, I will sing, while millions join the theme. I I'm free, I'll sing on, I'll sing on. And when from death I'm free, I'll sing on. And when from death I'm free, I'll sing and joyful be. And through eternity I'll sing on, I'll sing on. And through eternity I'll sing on. And here. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to click on link number 3 and check out my other chord charts and song tutorials. If you want to help me make more videos, you can support me on Patreon using the link below. God bless, and I look forward to seeing you next time.